Welcome, and we have the car of the day. Let's take a look.
Okay guys, we're gonna need 14 millimeter sockets, and all the bolts are gonna be 14. So we're gonna have 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and a small plug underneath. So that's the whole process for this one. The little console is gonna have 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and a small plug underneath. So that's gonna be the whole removal. So it's very simple. And for the rear, guys, let me see if I can do this right here in the other side. For the rear, you're gonna have 2 in this side. You're gonna lose that seat belt right there. This one. And 2 in that extreme. 2 more for the little one. And 2 in the other side. And that's gonna be it, guys. So it's not really that complicated, not for this vehicle. Very simple. So I'm gonna take them out. These are the plugs that you are gonna encounter in the passenger side. Just 2 plugs, and this is the one for the center console. Once we get all that done, then we can start to remove the covers for this Titan. Okay, I will continue in the next video, guys.